Hey y'all, so today we're gonna be doing flat twists. One of my favorite people sent me a DM and she had like shared this video with me and she wanted me to try this hairstyle, so I'm gonna try it. And I'm gonna be looking over here because this is where my mirror's at. Your girl has been working all day, so I just finished washing my hair. That's why it's drenched in water. I hope this hairstyle come out cute. Can't forget this. I gotta put this in every time I wash my hair. Now I don't know how my parts about to be looking. They might be a little messed up, but you know, as long as we get the twist right, that's all that matters. I'm gonna be using the Wet Line Extreme Gel again, and I'm gonna be using my favorite. I think I probably need my other one too. My favorite, the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancer Smoothie. This is a #1 essential. You have to have this in your hair product collection. If you do not have this, you're asleep. This is the best. This is my favorite. Okay. I probably need to detangle my hair. I don't want this video to be like extremely long, so I'm gonna comb my hair out and get it detangled, and I'm gonna come back and we can go ahead and start the video. My hair is long. Your girl got hang time, okay? Yo, my hair dries so fast. It's getting dry now. I wonder how this is gonna look. My hair is extremely long. The lady in the video's hair was like kind of short, so I don't know how this gonna come out. It might look crazy. I don't know. We're gonna see. That's how you know I need my ends clipped, because it should be like that, but instead it's like really bushy. And y'all, my freaking big chop anniversary is coming up. I think it's about to be 2 years. I honestly, I can't remember which day, but I know it's in July. I think it's like July 21st, 23rd, 24th, something like that. But I think my hair is doing pretty good for it to be going on 2 years now. Like the length and everything, I believe it's really healthy. It's just my ends are looking really bad. So I actually want to straighten my hair and then go and get it clipped, but I don't know. They have like this hair salon in Walmart, and I haven't been in a long time because y'all know I big chopped my hair. I haven't straightened my hair yet. I don't even know if the lady still works there, because I don't trust people. Because I remember I had went there one time and I tried a new person. I'm assuming she was having a bad day, and I let her clip my ends and my hair was messed up. So these are the only perm rods that I have. I don't have any smaller perm rods. I'll do the rest off camera. Yeah, my hair is done. I hope this comes out right. Don't talk about the back because I don't know how good my parts look. So I'm gonna just turn around and show y'all. Don't talk about me. Can't forget this. Hope y'all can see it. Wild growth hair oil. I've been showing this on my channel for I don't even know how long. So if you have not tried this yet, then why not? Why not, sis? Oops, why not? I'm dropping oil. Why haven't you tried it yet, sis? Try it out. It might help your hair grow. It definitely works for me. And if y'all ever want to like know some tips or anything, because I do get DMs sometimes. And if y'all want to know how I grew my hair out, I have 3 videos already on my channel where I talk about what I did, the products I use. Make sure y'all go check those videos out. And I also have a playlist where I have like my natural hair journey. So y'all go watch those videos if y'all want to know like how I grew my hair out. So yeah, this is it. I'm gone. I will see y'all tomorrow. Hopefully this comes out good. I'm kind of scared, but we're gonna see. My hair is dry. I think this one might be just a teeny weeny bit wet. Once I had ended the clip, I had went back because I figured she had them like rolled up all the way to the top. So yeah, make sure if y'all do this, make sure y'all roll them all the way to the top. Great. I'm scared. Okay, y'all. I don't know how this gonna come out. I'm really scared. I hope it looks cute. Okay, this time my curl is looking so far. I hope y'all can see good enough. That's how my curl looking so far. I don't know about this. I don't know about this, y'all. I don't know how to feel about this. I really don't. Y'all, I really need my ends clipped because right here is like really bushy. Yeah. I don't know how I feel about this. I tried though. I tried it out. Let's see. I feel like my hair is even more frizzy because my ends are not clipped. So yeah, I hope y'all can see them. Like, just extra frizzy. There's no curl or nothing. Okay, so I guess I like it with this awkward looking part, but just having it like that all in my face is not cute. Sorry, y'all. Oopsie. But yeah, was this a fail or this is my hair? This is my hair, y'all. Y'all should try this hairstyle out if your ends are clipped. Yeah, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I did enjoy filming it. I got to see my hang time and my hair looking all nice and moisturized. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next one.